Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that GeorgePlaysClashRoyale token is good or not. Firstly, you have to open this token on coinmarketcap.com. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. And here you can see profile score. Profile score is 40%, which is not good for this project. After that, you will copy this address and you have to open Rakcheck website, and here you will paste copied address, then click on check button. Now here you can check this project profile score. Profile score is 1 and risk analysis is good. After that, you have to open this token on CoinMarketCap, and here you can check this token total supply is 999.68 million and circulating supply is around 999.68 million. Clash token is listed on MEXC, LBank, XC.com and other centralized exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.